Welcome to our YouTube channel ATSTECHINFO. Today is the third anniversary of our channel ATSTECHINFO. Thank you very much for your kind support towards our channel. Hope the same continue forever. Our channel started its journey on 14 June 2020. Till now, our channel have more than 1700 subscribers and uploaded nearly 370 videos. Our channel achieved its first milestone of 1K subscriber on 17th March 2021. 100 video was uploaded on 15th April 2021. 200 video was uploaded on 6th December 2021. 300 video was uploaded on 26th April 2023. Our channel have achieved its milestone of 100k views on 23rd March 2023. We have started a new series of short videos from this session. Our videos are in three languages, that is in English language, in Hindi or in Odia. In our channel, one video has more than 21k views till now. Thank you very much for your kind support towards our channel. Lastly, wish you a happy Raja. Thank you.